In the words of Christopher McCandless, the very basic core of a man's living spirit is his passion for adventure. The joy of life comes from our encounters with new experiences, and hence there's no greater joy than to have an endlessly changing horizon for each day, to have a new and different sun. And as I was waking up here in Colorado, to be quite honest, the beauty in this place could make a grown man cry. This was my third day in Colorado, and somehow it felt like the first time I'd ever really seen the world.